Hello everyone, welcome to the series of data analysis using Excel. This is Dr. Atman Shah. In this video, I'm going to discuss how to find skewness. You can find more videos on Excel, SPSS, RStudio, econometrics, mathematical economics, and statistics on my YouTube channel. So don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Now we know that skewness is a measure of asymmetry of a distribution. So a distribution can have positive, negative, or zero skewness. So let's find the skewness for this given data. I have the hypothetical data on maths, English, and physics marks. So first we will find the skewness for mathematics marks. Now the function here is SKEW. And then you select the range. So I'm selecting the range. So you can see the range is from B2 to B16. Simply press enter. So here we can see the skewness value is 0.03 and therefore maths data has no positive or negative skewness. Now let's find it for English. Again, the function is SKEW. Select the range. So range is from C2 to C16. And then you press enter. So here you can see the skewness is, the value of the skewness is negative. That means this data is negatively distributed, or we have the negative skewness. Physics. The range is from D2 to D16. Press enter. The value is positive and higher than 0. It is 1.3. And therefore, physics marks is positively skewed. So this is how we find the skewness in Excel. The value of skewness also helps us to determine whether our data is normally distributed or not. If you find this video useful, kindly like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.